Alright, so what you choosing for home defense? All guns are unloaded, YouTube. All guns are unloaded. No clip, no ammo, no clip, no ammo. Oh, baby. What you choosing for home defense? Or for just self-defense in general? All guns are unloaded. I just want to know what you're choosing. Oh, I forgot about this one right here. Hold on. Unloaded, I told you. Off duty. Off duty. 38 special. What are you choosing? 19 X with the Radiant Ramjet. O-Light. And O-Sight. See if I can concentrate that a little better. Oh, I can't concentrate it too good. Nope. It's not gonna concentrate, but you get the deal. Me personally, look, those are all the clips, are all the ammo. And everything's unloaded. Personally, I'm choosing this one. This is that M10 762 by 39. That's what I'm choosing. But I really do like this one too. It's hard to pick, but definitely this baby.